Today's video on this 718 GT4 is going to be a cracker. So we're at the Dyno today. What we're going to do is run the car, see what it produces as standard, which will be interesting in itself. Once she's cooled down, we're then going to fit some Akrapovič over axle pipes. We're going to remap it and see what the difference is. Same day, same temperature, same fuel. Let's go. So what's an over axle pipe? Well, funnily enough, it's a pipe that goes over the axle. It connects up to the rear exhaust. The standard one from Porsche is pretty heavy compared to this, but also crucially in the middle of it all, it has an OPF filter. So these are for racetrack use only. Let's see how Ollie fits it and get it in there. Right, whilst Ollie finishes off the install, let's have a bit of a recap of what we've done. We've taken out the standard link pipes, or over axle pipes, fitted the Akrapovič ones, which also save 8 kilos because they're made from titanium. But as you'll see in the video, we've actually left the standard exhaust box, so we've still got the ability to make it louder and quieter. So we've got weight saving. You'll hear in a second we've got a sound increase. And then finally, let's see what the power increase is going to be like. Right, that sounded absolutely epic. If the mics are still working, you can hear me, they've been busted. Let's have a look at the numbers then. So, 419 standard, so they're 420 stock, so it's a pretty healthy car. That's a 23 plate with 2 on it, so she's exactly on the money. 7,700 RPM. She has just put in a solid 474 horsepower. So that works out to be a 55 horsepower increase on standard. So what's that? 12% increase. Pretty healthy. We've also got torque gone up from 285 pound-foot of torque to 324. So all in all, result. So there you have it. Today's video brought to you with a bit of science and a few graphs. Magic. Anyway, if you've got a GT4 or a GTS and you want some over axle link pipes fitted to your car for track use, give us a call on the usual workshop number or drop us an email and we'll get some for you too.